November is the month of being thankful. So here are 3 things I'm super thankful for when it comes to helping my websites. So number one of my favorites is Google Analytics, because one of the key things when it comes to having a website is you want to make sure it's working for your business or organization. And with Google Analytics, you're able to measure different goals and conversions. So you can actually understand the traffic that is going to the website, and you can start studying and understand what you need to start doing in order to convert. Number 2, okay, the second thing that I really love is blogging. When you blog, it helps drive traffic to your website. And there's some free platforms out there, like Medium, for example. There's already a pool of people looking for valuable information to read. So if you can start blogging, utilize Medium. There's also WordPress. You can create free WordPress blogs. So number 3, to draw traffic to your website is social media. You got all kinds of platforms. You got Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and the list goes on. So you have this valuable tool to amplify your message for free. Why not use it? I love it. I absolutely love it. I love social media because you're able to deliver value where your audience is. So if you have valuable information that you understand and have knowledge of, share it. You become an influencer, and that drives traffic back to your website. And therefore, with a combination of Google Analytics, good blogging, and social media channels to amplify the message, you can create a massive amount of traffic to your website. So those are the 3 things that I feel are valuable when it comes to a website that are absolutely free. So it's priceless to utilize these tools. So follow us, like our page, comment below if you do not agree with me or if you agree with me. And if you love what you hear, share. Share the love, people. All right, until next time.